Greetings. In today's lesson, we're going to carry on with number sentences. So, let's say we're looking at number sentences, but we are looking at multiplication. So, this is the same with addition. How am I going to prove this? So, if we have 3 multiplied by 5, but it's also equal to 5 multiplied by 3. How do we prove? If we say that multiplied by that is going to be 5, 10, 15. So the answer here is 15. And if we say 5 times 3, it means that we're going to say 5, 10, 15. So the answer is also going to be a 15. So it means that that is equivalent to that one. B says we have 4 multiplied by 2, which is equal to 2 multiplied by 4. So if we say 4 times 2, we have an 8. If we say 2 times 4, we also have an 8. Why? Because it's 2, 4, 6, 8. Or we can say 4, 8. And then you are done. So C says 1 multiplied by 7 is also equivalent to 7 multiplied by 1. How do we prove that? 7 times 1 is 7. 7 times 1, okay, 1 times 7 is 7. 7 times 1 is equal to 7. Okay, so D says 8 multiplied by 7 is equal to 7 multiplied by 8. So let's see, if we say 8 multiplied by 7, what do we get? So let's say we have our 7, another one we have 14, another one we have, I think it's gonna be 21. Let me see. Yes, it's 21. Another one we have 28. Another one that we're going to have 35. Another one that we're gonna have is gonna be 42. Another one, so it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Another one is going to be 49. Another one is going to be a 56. Let me see. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and an 8. So it means that this is going to be our answer. So 8 multiplied by 7 is going to be a 56, which is equivalent to that multiplied by that, which is also going to be a 56. And you are done. Okay, so let's see number E, or letter E. It is 5 multiplied by, now we have brackets. What do we remember about brackets? Is that we're going to have or apply our BODMAS rule. And BODMAS says we firstly start off with a bracket. Okay, so here the question says 5 multiplied by open bracket 6 plus 7 is equal to 5 multiplied by 5 open bracket 6 plus 7 close bracket. What can I do here? So I can just simply say 5 multiplied by that plus that is equal to, let me think, 13, which is equal to 5. Okay, let me change color there. 5 open brackets 13 close brackets. Okay, so the next part we're going to say that multiplied by that. So let's see, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65. So the answer here is going to be a 65. So this and that is similarly like that multiplied by 13, where we're going to say 5, 10, 15, 20, 20 until we reach 65. And you are done. I hope this made sense.